Let's have fun in English. Your channel. To make your English from zero to hero.
Expressing indifference in English. If you have no interest or concern about something, you can use below phrases and expressions to express your indifference.
Who cares? I don't care. I don't mind. I don't mind whatever you do. It makes no difference to me. Do what you like. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. So what? It's all the same to me. Why should I care? It's your decision. I wouldn't mind. Do as you like. Whatever you want. You can say whatever you like. I couldn't care less.
Interrupting people in English. In a conversation, sometimes you need to interrupt another person who is speaking to disagree with their point or to ask for clarification. Below are some useful phrases and expressions for interrupting people politely in English.
Excuse me for interrupting, but... Sorry for interrupting, but... May I interrupt for a minute? May I say something here? Can I stop you there for a moment? Just a moment, I'd like to... Sorry, could I just mention that... I don't mean to intrude, but... May I have a word? Excuse me, but... Do you mind if I interrupt you? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Is it possible to repeat the last point? While that is an important point, it's also important to add. If you don't mind, I'd like to mention something. Sorry to butt in, but may I just ask? Before we move on to the next point, may I add? Before you move on, I'd like to say something. Do you mind if I jump in here? If I could just come in here, I think. Can I just add something here?
Talking about health and illness in English. Here are some common sentences and expressions that you can use when talking about health and illness. Asking about health.
What's the problem? What are your symptoms? How are you feeling today? Are you feeling any better? Do you have any allergies? How long have you been feeling like this? Do you have any medicine to take?
Talking about general illness.
I've got a slight headache. I've got a sore throat. I have high blood pressure. I have pain in my back. I'm in a lot of pain. My head is spinning. I'm having difficulty breathing. I have a stomach ache. I'm not sleeping very well at the moment. I'm not feeling very well.